Income growth investing. What's that all about? Picture this. You've got a snowball, right? You're at the top of a hill, packed with fresh, powdery snow. You give that snowball a nudge and watch it roll down, getting bigger and bigger as it picks up more snow. Well, income growth investing is sort of like that snowball, but in the financial world. You're starting with a certain amount of investment income, and you're looking to grow it over time. Now, you could stash your cash in a savings account and call it a day. But let's face it, those interest rates are about as exciting as watching paint dry. If you're like me, hailing from the evergreen landscapes of Portland, you want your money to grow like our famed Douglas firs, strong and steady. That's where income growth investing comes in. Essentially, it revolves around picking investments that don't just sit there, but actually work to earn you more money. These can be dividend-paying stocks, bonds, real estate investment trusts, REITs, or even certain ETFs and mutual funds designed for income growth. When a company you've invested in rakes in profit, they might dish out dividends. Think of dividends as your slice of the pie. It's a nice way for the company to say, "Thanks for believing in us. Here's your share." But here's the kicker. You reinvest those dividends. Instead of pocketing them, you use them to buy more shares. This creates a beautiful cycle where you get more dividends, which buy more shares, which lead to more dividends. It's like a feedback loop that keeps on giving. Over time, this can seriously pump up your investment income, hence the name income growth investing. And let's not forget the power of compounding. It's like the superfood of finance. With compounding, the income you've reinvested generates its own income. It might start with baby steps, but give it time, and you could be looking at a mountain of profits. Remember though, like Portland's unpredictable weather, investing is never sunshine and roses all the time. You've got to brace for those rainy days. Companies might cut dividends in hard times. Stock prices can go up and down like a yo-yo. That's why it's crucial to diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, or you might end up with a mess on your hands. Choosing the right investments for income growth takes a bit of elbow grease research, keeping an eye on the markets, and maybe even some professional advice. But if you play your cards right, it's a way to potentially increase your wealth over the long haul. So, if you're up for it, roll up your sleeves and get ready to push that snowball. And remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a gradual climb towards a worthwhile summit. Just like hiking up our beloved Mount Tabor here in Portland, patience, persistence, and the right gear, or in this case, investments, will get you to that breathtaking view at the top. Happy investing!